श्लोक महला पहला। कूड़ राजा कूड़ प्रजा, कूड़ सब संसार, कूड़ मंडप कूड़ माड़ी, कूड़ बैसनहार, कूड़ सोयना कूड़ रूपा, कूड़ पैननहार, कूड़ काया कूड़ कपड़, कूड़ रूप अपार, कूड़ मियाँ कूड़ बीबी, खप होए खार, कूड़ कूड़ै नेहो लगा, विसरिया करतार, किस नाल कीचै दोस्ती, सब जग चलनहार, कूड़ मीठा कूड़ माखियो, कूड़ डोबे पूर, नानक वखाणै बेनती, तुद बाज कूड़ो कूड़. Here Guru Sahib is talking about, it's actually so beautiful. This whole world is good. The whole world is truth. I think we have discussed in the past also that everything which we see, it's all the drama. Who knows how many times we came, in what different forms? We know vaguely that 8.4 million Junes. But if we think about uh, the jugs, the various jugs, they say that every jug was around 25,000 years, right? Now, if every jug was 25,000 years, and there are some insects which, or some bacteria, or some viruses which live for very short while, right? When they come and then maybe for 1 second, few seconds, and that's how the 8.4 million Junes are, right? So who knows how many times we went through 8.4 million Junes, how many times we got a human form, but at least for sure, every Jug, right? We were basically somewhere there in this whole existence. It was not that we were newly created. First of all, it should be very clear to everybody because this is a Kal Yug. We started with Satyug, then we went to Treta Yug, when we went to Dwapar Yug, when then we went to Kal Yuga. The balance is maintained. If we will see from the worldly eyes, the population of the world has increased. No, it's not like that. Population of world has increased because all these living beings were somehow in a different state, and some were even in the dormant state, and then now they got the human body. That's how the population is increased. The Otherwise the balance is still there, because we also know that some of the species, they got extinct, like dinosaurs, right? And lot of new, they say that, okay, we found this new thing, but it was new for the scientist, not for Kalpurk Vaheguru. So we need to understand this, right? So this is the whole drama going on. Stage is set. Whatever we see, it's not gonna be there forever. All the physical things which we are gonna see, it's not. That's why Maharaj has used the word kood. Kood literally means shoot. I think after this lecture, you will stop calling the girls kudi. It's an abuse. It's a gal. In Punjabi, we call girl a kudi. Kudi. Chuthi. Will you call your daughters or wife or mother kudi? No. Right? After this, you should forget about calling any, because kood is choot. We all are choot. If from that perspective, we all are kudiyan. Because this Guru Nanak Dev Ji cleared it up in Japji Sahib. Aad Sach, Jugad Sach, Happy Sach, Nanak Hosi Bhi Sach. There's only one truth. And I don't know, when I studied in a convent school in India, and we used to make the posters. Truth is God. It's very relevant. So actually, if you think about it, yeah, Vaheguruji is the only such. Vaheguruji is the only truth. Rest, everything is cool. Everything, all the things. You really need to be very open understanding this thing. Very open. Be very open in understanding this thing. First thing what Guru Sahib told us, Kood Raja, कूड़ प्रजा, कूड़ सब संसार. If we are expecting something from the king of the state, these days prime ministers or presidents, President Trump, Prime Minister Modi, even President Biden also. Maharaj says it's good. Don't expect anything from a human being. Good praja also. What is praja? The people around the king. If people of the state, including us, what is good? The physical body is good. Because we think that we are this physical body. If I have to recognize myself, oh, the guy with the glasses, with the dadi, and with the yellow, the star. But is this my identity? Every day in the morning when we wake up, the first thing which we should say is Wah Guru, and thanks to Vaheguru for giving us this breath. Be thankful that we got this human body. Just see, I mean, I never have stopped giving an example of dogs. Why? Because in America, in the Western countries, the dogs are kept like the kids, even sometimes better than kids, right? But when we go to India, when we see the stray dogs, I don't know, I've shared a story with you guys. I saw one guy, right? He was beating the dog with a stick outside the Gurudwara Sahib. And my wife, she's very much into good animals and dogs and all. She got like nuts about it. She was like, "What? Hey, what are you doing? You know, in the next birth, you are going to become a dog, and he's gonna beat you up." So what I'm saying is, just see the reality. We are so lucky. We are so fortunate. We have given all the things. We should be thankful. But remember, we are not this. Why Guruji was compassionate that he gave us a chance to merge back into him so that we can win this game. But we have to put an effort. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji talking about here all the drama which is going on the stage, just like it's a theater going on. Kood mandap, kood madi, kood besanhar. I says that there are mansions and there are skyscrapers, for the kings and all. They used to put some different skyscrapers out there for their respect, or not even for respect, it was mostly for the show off, right? And the kings used to live in there in the mansions, and somebody has to meet them. He has to go through so much security guards and all that stuff. I think everything is false. One day they are going to realize that. There is a shabad, I think, by Bhagat Ravidas ji. I don't know, I don't want to quote that, but I will tell you the shabad. ऊंचे मंदिर सुंदर नारी राम नाम बिन बाजी हारी. That even if you have beautiful mansions, beautiful houses, you have a beautiful husband, beautiful wife, but if you don't have a naam, then you've lost everything. Nothing has any meaning. Nothing. So before you think about these things, realize that what the realization has to be there. What is the value in it? Don't judge people by just looking at their face, on how they look. What is the clothes? What are the clothes they are wearing? You know, sometimes if somebody has a stinky clothes or torn off clothes, we don't want to sit next to them because people will think, oh, you're sitting with some homeless guy. You know, the game is totally reverse. The rich person which we see from our own eyes may be very poor from inside. Most of the times it will be poor. Very few. In Gurbani, there's only one example of any king who went through this ocean of fire, this Pav Sagar. and that king was Raja Janak. Only Raja Janak was the Raja or the king in Gurbani who actually crossed this ocean of fire. Nobody else. I'm not saying there are not other people, other rich people. You can still do it, but it's difficult. In ਪੰਜਾਬੀ ਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਅਸੀਂ ਇੱਕ ਵਰਡ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਦੇ, ਕਹਿੰਦੇ ਖਲਾਰਾ ਘੱਟ ਪਾਓ, ਸਮੇਟਣਾ ਮੁਸ਼ਕਿਲ ਹੋ ਜਾਣਾ, as in don't have too many things, don't own too many things. It will be very difficult at the end, very difficult. Why? Because the more things we will have, the more attached we will be. And whosoever sit at the seat of a king or become a prime minister or president, they know at back of their head that it's only for certain term. For in America, it's just 2 terms, right, for the president. In India, it's unlimited. In US also, it used to be more. But anyway, anybody who sit
Why,
on that chair, they think they have a power forever, and
why,
they
do-
forget. Vaheguru, Hanji.
why do Raja Janak, which Raja Janak? Like it's the father of Sita Raja Janak or a
No,
different
no.
Raja?
This, yeah, it's the same Raja Janak. He used to do the famous thing about the Raja Janak is, have you heard of the name of Ashtvarkar? Ashtvarkar. There was a guy called Ashtvarkar, and basically this Raja, he was very interested in spirituality. And what used to happen was he used to sit there, and a lot of sadhus used to come, and they used to do the vichar with each other about the spirituality, right? He was totally into it. That's what he used to do. Yes, and Raja Janak was the father of Sita. Yes, but whether it is the same Raja Janak or not, let me confirm it, double check whether they were two or one. But in Gurbani, Raja Janak is mentioned as he's even given the kitab of Satguru, that he reached to that state that he became one with Vaheguru. His mind became Satguru, right? And that's the only king which has been mentioned in the Gurbani, who even there were others who were sent as an avatar, but they were not able to cross this fire of ocean, this Maya. They never went above the Maya. And there is a story of Raja Janak where somebody comes and tell him that his mahal or his palace, his mansion is getting burnt, but he didn't care about it, right? Because he didn't had an attachment. The whole thing is, actually we are packing our I can relate it to myself, right? We are packing our things in our home because we are moving, right? So there are things, so their furniture, their things, even it is broken, and we think of, what are we going to do with this? Should we carry it or not, right? So you get attached to everything you own. That's the point. But everything is cool, right? So we decided we're gonna throw everything to the junk guys. We're gonna call the junk guys and throw a lot of things. Is there no problem? I mean, if you're not using anything from last 4, 5, 6, 7 years, especially, why do you need it? So collect less things, own less things, try to be limited. Try. I'm also trying, right? We can only try. I mean, I know in this day and age we get attached with a lot of things. So yeah, coming back. Kud Soina, Kud Rupa, Soina is gold. Soina, Sona is gold. Kud Rupa. Do you know what Rupa is? Don't see the meanings, don't see the meanings. Anyway, Rupa is silver. It's not a rupee. That brings actually a very good question, right? Yeah, there is a famous Sakhi of Guru Nanak Dev Ji where he goes to the sadhus and do the Sacha Sauda, right? And where he used 20 rupees and distributed the langar out there. But in those days, there was no rupees. What were they? They were 20 silver coins, maybe, rupa, right? So rupa is chandi, rupa is silver. Maharaj saying that is also good. And guess what? People who love to put the chains, gold chains or silver chains or gold kadas. I mean, a lot of men used to put, or they still put the gold kadas and all. Maharaj saying it's all good. Good soina, good rupa, and sorry, good pen and har. Even the person who is wearing it, that is also good. Gurbani, why Gurbani is telling us? And you don't get offended with this. Gurbani is telling us that nothing is going to be permanent. So don't go behind these things. You cannot take silver and gold with you. Your body will not go with you. How come the silver and gold with will go with you? Kood kaya, kood kappad, kood roop apar. Kaya, kaya, de, pind. This is all nagar, share. It's all related to the physical body. We know. Gurbani says, "A sharir sab mool hai maya." This physical body is also good. Kood, kood kaya, kood kappad. Kappad is kappade. ਜਿਹੜੇ ਆਪਾਂ ਕੱਪੜੇ ਪਾਉਂਦੇ ਆ, the clothes which we wear, that's also kood. Kood roop apar, the beauty products which we use, all kood. Anything. Kood mia, kood bibi, khap hoye khar, husband is kood, wife is kood, khap hoye khar. We keep on discussing, and somebody dies, we cry because we are attached. We are very, very much attached. I saw actually a family. The famous guy, actually, he's a writer. He told his family their young son died. It's difficult to say. I mean, it's easy to say, difficult to abide. The young son died. Nobody shed any tears. Literally, they didn't, because they understood from the Gurbani that it's good. I mean, are we at that stage? That's the reason we have to introspect every single thing in ourselves, not to point to others, to look into ourselves. How much connected we are to these things. We know everything is Maya. It's easy to say, oh, yeah, it's Maya, it's Maya, it's Maya. But when time comes, how do we react with the things around us? It's difficult. Only with Vaiguruji's Kripa, only with the blessing, that we can accept this. We can get out of the attachment. It's easy to put more and more attachment. ਜ਼ਿਆਦਾ ਜਿੰਨੀ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ ਮਾਇਆ ਦੇ ਨਾਲ ਕਨੈਕਟ ਹੋਈ ਜਾਈਏ, ਜਿੰਨਾ ਮਰਜ਼ੀ. Keep on buying things. Keep on having sons and daughters. Keep on having more and more friends. Keep on getting into other people's life, personal lives. It's easy. To break the bonds is difficult. This doesn't mean that you stop, break the bonds with all your friends and all that stuff. But every swas, every breath we take, we have to see inside. And that's what I do. I'm telling you right now. I judge myself. I see how many swas I wasted in Rajogun today, how many swas I wasted in Tamogun today, and did I put any swas on Sattogun? So that's the lekha which is going to be there. But guess what? Good news. There is way to get out of it. And Maharaj here says, Neho is love. Kood kuda neho lagga visrya kartar. That we are so much attached, so much in love with the people around us, with the things around us, that we have forgotten Vaheguru. Forgotten. Just think, right? Whole day, 24 hours, how much time Vaiguruji is inside us? Do we watch movies? Do we watch YouTube videos? Do we listen to the songs? Again, I'm not telling you to stop doing these things. I'm not. What I'm saying is, Just introspect and see how much you can increase the time. Very close relations in mine. Somebody got married in India. We didn't go. I'm thankful to Waheguru that we didn't go. I hope they don't see this video. Why? Because Anand Karaj was there, happened only in 30 minutes. 30 minutes. And they had 3 or 4 different functions, dancing and parties going on. I mean, there was no alcohol and all, but still, so many parties. How much time did we spend with Stan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji Maharaj? How much time did we spend sitting next to Guru Granth Sahib Ji? Guru Granth Sahib Ji, everything should be Gurbani Guru. Every aspect of our life should be Gurbani Guru. Right? We can't be dancing and singing songs and everything and also remembering Vaheguru. I don't think so. I don't think so. It's possible. Static, adol avastha. And that can only come with the blessing, with the glance of Vaheguru. Do things, but balance it out. At least if you want to have parties and all that stuff, first of all, obviously, no shrab and meat in the parties, and no drugs and no abuses, no wrong, bad songs and all that stuff. Even if you have to sit with your family together and eat, it's all good. Do it, but have at least 50% allocation somewhere. 30 minutes of Nand Karaj and I don't know how many hours of dancing and doing all that stuff. You know, just we have to check ourselves. We have to check. We don't have to look into other people's life. Just see what is happening around us with our friends and all that stuff. You don't go and tell them don't do it, because even if you're going to tell them, they're not going to stop it. I'm telling you right now. Don't become a baba and start telling them don't do this, because they are not going to listen. But what we can do is improve our own lives. We can set example, right? Not to show others, but to have a neho with Vaheguru. Neho is love, rather than with the things around it. And Guru Nanak Dev Ji is saying here, Kis naal kiche dosti, sab jog chalan har. Why to have those kind of relationship and those friends which are not going to be permanent? Maharaj is saying nothing is going to be permanent. Everything is going to pass away. ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਵੀ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ ਇੱਥੇ, ਤੁਹਾਡੇ ਯਾਰਾਂ ਦੋਸਤਾਂ ਰਿਸ਼ਤੇਦਾਰਾਂ ਨੇ, ਮਾਂ ਪਿਓ ਭੈਣ ਭਰਾਵਾਂ ਨੇ, ਕਿਸੇ ਨੇ ਨਹੀਂ ਰਹਿਣਾ. Don't live for others, live for yourself. Nobody is gonna stay here. ਸਭ ਜੱਗ ਚੱਲਣਹਾਰ. Everybody is gonna pass away. Now comes the tastes. Kood mitha, kood makhyo, kood dobepur. Personal experience. When people turn to vegetarianism, they still can't leave the mitha, the sweet taste. I think it's good. You want to have a mitha taste? Have a amrit ras. Have the food of the mind. Food makhyo. What is makhyo? Makhyo is,
Shahid.
Honey.
yes, exactly, the honey. Everything is good. Sometimes some people, I've seen some people are like, oh, my body is gonna be, it's a very good for losing weight. Honey is good for losing weight. So every day in the morning, we'll have honey. Just talk with yourself. Are you doing it for losing weight or for the sweetness of the tongue? No, it has health benefits, no doubt about it. But everything should be limited. You don't stop it. What? But you have to balance it out in your life. Just do balancing act, right? ਨਾਨਕ ਵਖਾਣੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਤੁਧ ਬਾਜ ਕੂੜੋ ਕੂੜ. Everything without you, everything is cool. only one such, Aad Sach, Jugad Sach, है भी सच, नानक होसी भी सच. Without him, everything is good. Everything. And this is a drama, and we are just acting in this. We are just the actors. ਮਹੱਲਾ ਪਹਿਲਾ ਸੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਪਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਜਾ ਹਿਰਦੇ ਸੱਚਾ ਹੋਏ ਕੂੜ ਕੀ ਮਲ ਉਤਰੇ ਤਨ ਕਰੇ ਹੱਛਾ ਹੋਏ ਸੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਪਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਜਾਂ ਸੱਚ ਤਰੇ ਪਿਆਰ ਨਾਉ ਸੁਣ ਮਨ ਰਹਿਸੀਏ ਤਾਂ ਪਾਏ ਮੋਖ ਦੁਆਰ ਸੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਪਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਜਾਂ ਜੁਗਤ ਜਾਣੇ ਜਿਉ ਤਰਤ ਕਾਇਆ ਸਾਧਕੈ ਵਿੱਚ ਦੇ ਕਰਤਾ ਬਿਓ ਸੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਪਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਜਾਂ ਸਿੱਖ ਸੱਚੀ ਲੇ ਦਿਆ ਜਾਣੇ ਜੀ ਕੀ ਕਿਛ ਪੁੰਨ ਦਾਨ ਕਰੇ ਸੱਚ ਤਾਂ ਪਰ ਜਾਣੀਏ ਜਾਂ ਆਤਮ ਤੀਰਥ ਕਰੇ ਨਿਵਾਸ ਸਤ ਗੁਰੂ ਨੂੰ ਪੁੱਛ ਕੇ ਬਹਿ ਰਹਿ ਕਰੇ ਨਿਵਾਸ ਸੱਚ ਸਭਨਾ ਹੋਏ ਦਾਰੂ ਪਾਪ ਕੱਢੈ ਧੋਏ ਨਾਨਕ ਵਖਾਣੇ ਬੇਨਤੀ ਜਿਨ ਸੱਚ ਪੱਲੇ ਹੋਏ if you are from Punjabi background, this should be very, very clear. There's no difficult Punjabi in here, difficult Gurmukhi here. But let's go through line by line. Maharaj saying, Sach ta par janiye, jahan hriday sacha hoye. Not by just doing Vaheguru, Vaheguru. Only doing Vaheguru, Vaheguru, Vaheguru is not going to happen. Nothing is going to change. How it is going to change? When we are depositing our swas, every swas out there with the stamp of Vaheguru, when we are going into the sun, when the blessing is there at the end, that Naam, that Vaheguru Guru Mantra has gone first in our heart, in our mind. I remember Gurmukhs says, I think Baba Jarnail Singh Pindramale also said that when the person when the cops are beating you, then you really know what is coming out of your mouth. Is it Vaheguru or some abuse? Today, if somebody says bad things to you, somebody abuses you, somebody says something you do, what do you do in the reaction? Because you know a jot is there in everybody. Yes, this physical body is cool, but in this physical body, there's Vaheguruji also. How do we react? How do we react with our friends? How do we react with our family? How do we react when we are at work? So, till the time Vaheguruji is inside our mind, we will not be able to experience Vaheguruji. We have to make Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji as a central part of our life. Not just doing matha take, but by surrendering to the Gurbani, taking the wisdom. That's what the matha tekna is. It's a sign. It's very important. When we do matha take, when we bow our head down in front of Tan Shri Guru Granth Sahib Ji, it's a contract which we are signing. That from today onwards, it's the intellect we have to take. When we will walk on that path, Panch Doots cannot touch us. All the time inside, Antargat, Vah, Guru, Vah, Guru. We put our mind away. Such a sukham game. Kood ki mal utre, tan kare, hacha toye. Maharaj is saying, how? That filth which in our body, right? Antar mail lagi na jane. Baron mal mal toye. Maharaj says, he doesn't understand the filth, the thoughts which are there inside the mind. And outside, he's trying to remove all the mal. He's saying, oh, that person is stinky. He probably didn't took a bath or didn't use the deodorant, right? And how much stinky are we? How much is our mind? We need to understand that. Before we judge others, we need to see. And that's what Maharaj is giving us the technique. When the such will go inside our mind, then the mal will go away. Then the filth will go away. Not by just using the soaps outside or not by just cleaning the clothes outside. पर ये हथ पैर तंदे पानी तोते उतर सखे मूत पलीती कपड़ हुए. Maharaj saying, when our hands are dirty, when our clothes are dirty, urinated, what we do, we use soap, we use water to clean it. पर ये मत पापा के संग वो तोपे नावे गिरन. Only Naam can purify us. Only Naam is the such. कूड़ की मल उतरे तन करे हच्छा तोए. सच ता पर जानिए जा सच तरे प्यार. We can only know Vaheguru if we see Vaheguru in everybody. And when we love everybody, not by just words, from inside. Every thought which we take, it becomes our karam. The only way we can erase it through the Naam. That's it. Otherwise, it's a filth, it's a mal. And we got this body to remove this mal. Next line, very important. Now sun man resiye ta paye mokh dwar. Not by just listening to the Shabad inside, not just by listening to the Anhat Shabad. Our mind should listen to it and mind should be happy. But how it will happen? Only when we will start believing in this, that now. We will not go to the doctors and say that I have a tinnitus. Some people can have a real problem of tinnitus. So you have to differentiate whether it is a tinnitus or actually you're hearing the voice of Vaheguru. Whether it is coming from the mukh, we have to recognize that. But how can we recognize? By hearing it, not by ignoring it. Even if it is coming from here, even if it has not yet come here, not even coming from the Devlok yet. Even if you're hearing here, slowly and slowly, mind will travel. The sulti will travel. That's why the voice changes. And when it reaches here at the door, at the Devlok, then the mind will go start catching it. And when every time you hear it, you're going into a sahaj, you're going into the peace. That's a nishani, it's a sahaj tun. If you are hearing it and you're still having a thoughts in your head, it's not yet turned into a sahaj tun. Then during that time, we have to do Simran along with it. Inside Simran, Antargat Simran, Vaheguru, and keep on listening to that sound inside. And then it will change. Nishani is when it becomes Sahaj Tun, when you put your dhyan there, you'll go in Sahaj. You'll go in Sun immediately. But we have to continuously practice this, fall in love with it. And then only what will happen then? Tapai Mokh Dwar. Mokh Dwar is Dasam Dwar. Then we will get into the Dasam Dwar. Vaheguruji will do a kripa and he will call us and take us inside. But it's very important to listen to that Naam. Sach ta par janiye, ja jugat jane jiyo. Maharaj saying, you will recognize the such only if you know the technique, the jugti of not just how to live this life, but also know the jugti of how to fall in love with Naam, how to fall in love with every entity. Because this creation is perfect, created by Vaheguru. We have to appreciate it. But we need to learn the jukti from Gurbani and Guru. No gossiping, slandering, no hate, no lies, no lust, no greed, no anger. no desires, no anxiety, no depression. Again, few of the things are not in your control. I do understand that. And that's why we do Saskira Simran and do the Ardas Benti, right? We know that few of the things are not in our controls. So in that case, we look straight ahead. Make our eyes pyar waliyan, the eyes of love. Little bit open your eyes. Look into the empty space. Keep on looking straight. Don't move your eyes. One straight in the Kali Kala. Don't focus it on the object. When we do that, then we do the Ardas. And Ardas doesn't have to be Pritham Bhagavati Simarke. That's a Panthik Ardas. That's the Ardas which when we come together as a Panth, we do it. Inside, it can be just 1 second of Ardas. Say, Vaheguruji, help me. Just give me the Naam. I'm done with this lust, greed, anger, attachment, gossiping, and slandering. Help me out. ਅਰਦਾਸ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਦੇ ਗਾੜੀ ਹੋ ਕੇ ਕਰਨੀ ਗੁਰੂ ਸਾਹਿਬ ਇੱਥੇ ਖਾਲੀ ਖਲਾ ਚ ਹੀ ਹੈ ਸੁਣ ਸਾਰਾ we have to recognize that's a nishani of gurmukh what is Vaheguru and what is not Vaheguru. Anything physical, anything object, physical object which we see, anything which is going to perish is not Vaheguru. That's why when we do Simran, we don't bring pictures in front of our eyes. That's why Sikhism is against idol worship. Murti puja nahi karte Sikh. No idol worship. No puja of any human being. That is also a biggest problem. Let me point it out. Sometimes we get connected with the Gurumukhs. No, don't do it. Don't do it. Human body, don't do it. You'll be stuck. You'll be stuck and it will be very difficult to come out of it. Khali khala, emptiness, prakash. Tart kaya sadh kay, which they karta biyo. Put the seed of love. Put the seed of Naam. Right? In Gurbani, there's a lot of examples where the Kisani farming is regarded as Uttam, as the best way to earn your lives. And see what is happening out there, right? With the farmers. Because this is Kalyug. This is Kalyug. And that's what we read. Kood Raja, Kood Praja, Kood Sab Sansar. You know? We have to understand what is going on. Right? We understand and we do things as per Gurbani, as per Gurmat. Gurmat teaches us love everybody, no hate. We stand for truth, but we don't hate people. We only put the seed of love and Naam in this body. That's it. There is, I think, in Asaki Var only later, or we have already done it. Bijay Bik Mange Amrit. If you will sow the seed, put the seed of poison, what do you think? The Amrit is going to come out of it? No. Hate will only bring hate. Lies will only bring lies. If you are doing gossiping and slandering, actually you're helping that person. You're taking all his filth in your head. Be very careful. Very, very careful. Tartkaya sadh which de karta jiyo. Sach ta par janiye ja sikh sachi le. We are learning Sikhya, the right Sikhya from Gurbani Guru. Then only Maharaj says we can meet Vaheguru. Make Gurbani Guru a central point of your life. Then only we can reach Vaheguru. Then only we can walk on the path of live. Two ways, right? Live and tat. Live goes straight, north to south, north towards north. And the tat is going towards east. Right? East as in Maya. It's going towards its horizontal. You need a vertical growth, not a horizontal growth. I'm having a horizontal growth these days. But anyway, yeah, having a vertical growth. दया जाने जी की किछ पुण्य दान करे. Show the mercy, but only with the naam. Have compassion. I am surprised that we'll see a homeless person or somebody, sometimes we get compassionate, but I'm surprised to see people speaking poison for the farmers out there. Anybody, just show me one person in the whole world who can live without the food, the basic food, the vegetables, the dal, the lentils, and beans and bread. One person who live without it. Maybe for some period of time. Everybody needs vegetation. Everybody needs plants. Everybody needs wheat. How can we speak poison about the people who grow that? Do we have a compassion? And there are some religious gurus also who are saying that in India, and some pseudo intellectuals also. That's why the game is totally reverse. The game is totally reverse. The rich person, Haratan Sancho, है ना? We have to bow the seed of Haratan, the wealth of Har, wealth of Vaigru. And maybe physically we are not wearing good clothes. Maybe we are poor. Doesn't matter. But what is happening? It is reverse. Somebody who has a wisdom of Vaigru. I I don't want to bring the Drishtman stuff here, but I saw one news today, right? The two people who were arrested, the two farmers who were arrested, and they were like 70, 80 years of age, and they got released. And they said the same people whom they were feeding, they arrested them. I mean, that's why we call Kalyug.
And Vaheguru, they served in the Indian army and they fought 3 wars for
Yes,
India.
yes,
And I
yes.
was like, when I saw that news, I was like, what's going on? Like
Yeah.
it's
Yeah, because there is no daya left. There is no compassion left, right? Because it's
and
all food.
same thing they did with the that girl called Navdeep Kaur. Navdeep Kaur.
Yes, yes. Yeah, I mean, there's a lot of example, right? Because now it is happening to our society in our culture, but it is happening all over the world. Whatever happened with the blacks out here, the black Americans out here in this country, it's the same thing during the slavery, right? I mean, so many things happen all the time in the world. That's because Kood is Pradhan. The lies are the presidents. Everything is governed by the Kal. The Kal is governing everything. So don't expect if you are doing a bhakti, then the Kal is going to test you to the last. This path is like that. Be ready. Guru Arjan Dev Ji was given the Shahidi, right? Because he was a preacher of such. Kabir Ji was thrown in front of the elephant. Bhagat Namdev Ji, similar. It's all in Gurbani. So tortures will happen to the good people.
But Vaheguru, at what time you should stand up for what things are going wrong? At some point you should stand up. Like Vaheguru,
What is the definition of standing up?
like against what things are going wrong at sometimes.
Just think, what can you do, right? What positive can you do, right? Sitting in America, you can probably give what you call whatever seva you can do in terms of the wealth and all whatever is going on, right? Whatever the way you can do in your own way, right? It doesn't have to be. It doesn't have to be you go there and fight with the authorities and all that stuff. No, never do that. Never think about that, because one, you cannot do those things. Peaceful protests are the best thing, but with Vaheguru Gur Mantar all the time. All the time. Don't forget, the moment you will forget the Naam, the call will capture your mind. Create a balance. Support it, right? International celebrities are supporting it and all that stuff in their own way. Whatever way you can do, just do that. Write a letters to your senators and all that stuff, and so that we can speak against those things. Don't get too much involved in terms of, don't put too much mind in there, because Carl wants us to do that. So balance it out. Make your mind strong. Make sure you spend more time and becoming one with Vaheguru very carefully, because at the end of the day, Kood Raja, Kood Praja, Kood Sab Sansar. This is part of the game. Accept it also, raise your voice also for the truth, but balance it out. Because we are sitting here, people who are sitting there, they are putting them into the jails and do whatever things, right? They will do that. But we have to balance it out. So Daya is the most important thing. See, I mean, there are organizations we can support those organizations also who are in the front, Khalsa Aid, United Sikhs, whatnot. There are other organizations also, right? There's some local organizations out there. We can help them. If you want to do the seva, get associated with them and do that seva, do the Simran out there, right? So a lot of ways. Do in the way which you think there is a voice coming from inside that you should do your contribution in that way. Raise the awareness. We're sitting here, we can raise the awareness. But again, be careful. Don't put too much mind in that. Kal will capture it, right? सच तां पर जानिए जा आत्म तीर्थ करे निवास. Tirth. Tirths are the pilgrims, pilgrimages. People go there, take a bath in the Hardwar, in the Ganga, and all that stuff. But Maharaj is saying our Tirth is inside. The Naam is the Tirth. We have to take the bath in the Amritsar, the Sarovar which is inside us, not this the physical Sarovar. The physical Sarovar is for the physical body. The mind Sarovar is inside. Every day, remove your filth. Every day you will get the filth. Go inside, remove the filth. Satgur no puch ke beh rahe kare niwas. Ask everything, whatever question you have, ask the Satguru. Who is the Satguru outside? Gurbani Guru, not a human being. Ask from Gurbani Guru. Ask what Gurbani Guru is telling us. Right? Whenever we read Gurbani, also listen to the Shabad while reading. Then we are connected. Then we will understand the meanings of the Chautha Pad, not of the Tragun Maya. Make sure that we understand what is the hukam of Vaheguru. Sach sabna hoye daru, the naam, the Vaheguru is the daru, is the medicine. Paap kadde toye, all our thoughts, all our sins will be washed by the naam. Nanak wakhane benti, jis sach palle hoye. That's why Maharaj is saying, I do the benti in front of the all who have such in their heart, who are drenched with the Naam, have merged in the Naam, who are the Puran Gurmukhs. पौड़ी दान महिंडा तली खाक जे मिले ता मस्तक लाइए कूड़ा लालच छड़िए होए एक मन अलख ते आइए फल तेवे हो पाइए जे वे ही कार कमाइए जे होवे पूरब लिखिया ता धूड़ तिना दी पाइए मत थोड़ी सेव गवाई है, मत थोड़ी सेव गवाई है, दान महिंडा तली खाक, जे मिले ता मस्तक लाइए। द संगत, which what sangat? The sangat who is japing the naam, who is chanting the naam, ਉਹ ਸੰਗਤ ਜਿਹਦੇ ਵਿੱਚ ਨਾਮ ਜਪਿਆ ਜਾਂਦਾ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਸੰਗਤ ਕਿਹਾ, ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਗੁਰਮੁਖ ਕਿਹਾ। They are the only gurmukhs, that's the only sangat where people are connected with the naam, there the people are listening to the gurbani not for the kan ras but as a brahm gyan, where the mind is static. That is the sangat, right? In the gurdwaras there are sakats also. Not everybody is sangat. Be careful. When Maharaj talks about the sangat, danam hinda tali khak, je mile ta mastak laiye. Then the dust of the feet of the sangat. Maharaj saying this is a type of humility. If we get the feet of the dust of the saints, we put it on our forehead. Because even the dust of the feet of the saints has a power to remove our sins. Everything is sangat. Sat sangat mile so tarya, gur prasad param pad paya, suke ka sathariya. When we go in the sangat, even the dry ones become green. So much power, so much good vibrations are there. Hanji, Harpreet Singh.
So what is so you told Kandras and Brahmyan, right? I mean, what is the difference?
The
Kandras.
tunes and the song, in Gurbani it says, Log jane e geet hai, ye to Brahm Vichar.
Yeah.
I says that people are going there and they think it's just a song and they're just enjoying just like any other song. I think it's not just a song, it's a Brahm Vichar. It's the knowledge of Brahm, the knowledge of Vaiguru on how to meet Vaiguru. So that's Sangat, right? Because everybody has favorites. I like so and so Ragi, I like so and so. That's good. But is it just the Kanaras? Is it a temporary enjoyment? That just like I was telling you, right? I mean, before, right? That, hey, we say, okay, we learn in the Sangat, let's say, don't do Nindya Chugli, don't do this. We heard it, we liked the concept. And just outside the door, ਉਹ ਹਾਂਜੀ ਭਾਜੀ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਮਿਲੇ ਸੀ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨੇ ਆਹ ਕੀਤਾ right? That person did that. You just listen to the Brahmvichar. Brahmvichar is saying what, and the outside just going outside the door, then you are doing something else. What good
Okay.
is you're learning out there?
Mm-hmm.
So Maharaj is not asking for the dust of the feet of those kind of people, that kind of a sangat, right? Maharaj is asking for the dust feet of the that person who has Brahm inside us. The vichar is listening to the knowledge of Brahm is one thing. And I'm telling you, most of the people, they just listen. They don't act on it. They just keep on. It becomes their habit. Keep on listening to that knowledge. That's why too much knowledge is also bad. You have knowledge but no practical experience. Because stories, mind like the stories. Mind is used to, thank you for asking this question actually. Mind wants to listen to all these things, but when it comes to the Simran, when it comes to the Pagati, no, let's get out of it. We have params, we have doubts,
Mm-hmm.
right?
Right.
So Maharaj is not asking for the dust of the feet of the people who have doubts. That's why it has to be Satsangat, Sangat of the saints. Who is the saint? Who is remembering Vaheguru all the time, who is walking on the path of Sach. That's why Vaheguruji is also called Sach, who has a curiosity to meet Sach, right? Make sense, Vaheguru?
And whenever we have doubt, so that means we are manmukh, right? When we have doubt.
Initially, we will have doubts, but clear your doubts from Gurbani
Mm.
Guru. Once we clear it, the whole idea is there should be no doubts left, right? That's
Mm.
why we have to listen to the Kat Katha, right? What is the Kat Katha? Katha of Vaheguruji, who has no limits. Remember one thing, nobody can understand Vaheguruji fully ever. Even in different births they can take. There's no limit to that. It's beyond. That knowledge is also unlimited. But we can't just spend all our time getting that knowledge. We have to do the practical also. Whatever we understood, apply that in our life. Move on. Not just have a curiosity to understand more, more, more. It's not going to happen. You're going to come back again. Even if you know everything, if you think you know everything, because you can never know everything. It's endless gyan. Gyan is endless. That's why Maharaj say, put full dhyan. Gyan and dhyan. This path is of knowledge and focus. Gyan and dhyan. Not just of dhyan, not of just gyan. And Gurbani says one thing very clearly. Jo prani gobind tyave, padya anpadya param gat pave. Anybody who will do the dhyan, not just the symbol, not just the chanting, the dhyan, who will do the dhyan simran, who will put the dhyan, who will sit in the sun and put the dhyan, whether he is educated or uneducated, he will carry across this Maya. Actually, it is easier for an unpad, for an uneducated, for lack less knowledge, but for the people like us who have master's degrees and all that stuff, we have more doubts,
Yeah. Agree.
right?
Agree.
Yeah.
Thank you.
All
So
right.
I have a question, Virji.
Anji Bhai.
So where it says Tyaye in Gurbani or Tyavo, so here it's always talking about Dhyan. It's not about chanting, right?
Yes, it's not Japna.
Okay.
The Jap,
Okay.
Japna is a different thing, and Dhyana is
Mhm.
different.
Okay.
So more
Okay.
stress is on
And
Japna is first. Japna is the first state where you become, where you remove your thoughts. After that, the game is all about the Dhyan.
okay. Okay. And another question is this first pankti that we just read, where it talks about mastak laye tur, right? So is
Hmm.
it like, is it talking about like the physical tur, or is it talking about following, matlab ke in form of following the sons?
You are absolutely right. But physically also, when we
Okay.
do that, when we do that, we are removing our home.
Mhm.
It helps us getting out of our home. If we put the dust feet up, not to show others. See, everything is about what are you doing, right? If we are
Hanji.
doing it to show others that, hey, oh, that person, oh, that is the Gurmukh who always put the dust on his forehead. Nobody should see you doing all these things, right? Because you are removing the home out of it. I mean, you're not
Hanji.
making it a kind of a thing, oh, that I am so humble. You know what I mean?
Hanji.
We have to, we have to become zero. I should be totally eliminated. Whatever helps in becoming very important, guys. I mean, one thing which we have not, I don't know how much time which we have talked to walk on this path. It is very important when you are feeling not in Chaddi Kala, right? When the Dhyan is, you're not able to put the Dhyan in Gurbani or Dhyan in Simran, right? Especially in the Simran, we are not
Hanji.
able to put the Dhyan. L- Figure it out, what kirtan, what shabads of the Gurbani in the kirtan form you love, which makes you, which puts you in birag. Listen to that again and again. Select 4, 5, 10 shabads. You know, the moment I listen to this shabad, my mind goes in birag. I feel like crying by missing Vaheguru. I feel like that I want to meet Vaheguru. Listen to those things.
Hanji.
Go to these Kirtan Darbars and all. Sit at the back, right? Listen
Okay.
to it as a Brahm Gyan. Whatever, these are the different tools to bring your mind to be drenched in love. Not overnight, right? So, yes,
Hanji.
putting the dust also is a sign of humility, but not to show others that I am doing it.
Mhm.
right? Makes sense, why?
Hanji.
Because the
Hanji.
Gurmukhs will
Hanji.
have the aura. Gurmukhs will have the aura which will be very positive. When you go in the
Hanji.
physical presence of Gurmukhs, even if you're standing 6 feet away because of the corona restrictions, you will still get the vibrations. Corona will not come
Hanji.
to you, but the good vibrations will come to you,
Yes. Hanji. Hanji, I agree.
right?
Yes. Yes.
पल तेवे हो पाइए जे वे ही कार कमाइए. Oh, sorry, we missed this. कूड़ा लालच छड़िए होए एक मन अलख ते आइए. We have to leave the cood, the greediness, the lies. We have to leave them. When we hear something, check yourself up all the time. I am still lying. I am still greedy, right? Ik man, with one, ikagar man, right? No thoughts. Ik man is when we have no thoughts. Ik man alakte aiye. That's why when we have to sit the sun, or we are trying to go to that state, we have to do these tools. These are just the tools. Whenever we are doing the guided meditation, when I tell you guys, if you're getting the thoughts and then inhale from your nostrils and hold your breath and release it, that is not something you're, because of that you're going to get to meet Vaheguru. It is just to bring your mind in peace. All these are various techniques, but the real thing is dhyan, putting the dhyan. First dhyan in the Shabad, the Naam. Once with Vaheguruji's Kirpa, when we will hear the Naad, then put the dhyan in the Naad. Right? Step by step. And sit totally relaxed. Totally relaxed, thoughtless. If you have thoughts, then we need more chanting. Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru, Wah, Guru. More and more chanting. With Ikman, Kuda lalach chadiye, we got it. Fal teve ho paiye, jeve hi kar kamaiye. What the fruit you are gonna get, whatever we are going to sow. Just like we mentioned, Gurbani Guru is teaching us. If we are going to put a poison, poison is going to come out of it, not the fruit. ਜੇ ਹੋਵੇ ਪੂਰਬ ਲਿਖਿਆ ਤਾਂ ਧੂੜ ਤਿਨਾ ਦੀ ਪਾਈਏ. First of all, if we got this human body, Vaheguruji wants us to meet him. For everybody, that purab, it's likhya. Je hove purab likhya. Maharaj is telling us, this is like people really get confused with this. People think, oh, it is not preordained for me to meet Vaheguru. No, nothing is like that. If we got, it is likhya. In Purab, it was written on our mastak. Because the J word is that there, people get confused. If we are walking on this path already, it is written, it is preordained. We can only come to this path, we can only come to this wisdom of japping the Naam, we can only come to the wisdom of Vaheguruji if our Purab Karams are there. Nobody can come into the Sangat without a Purab Karams. You can tell people 100 times, they will not understand. Because it is preordained, that's why Guru Sahib is giving us this knowledge, and we are rare, we are verle thankful to Vaheguru. Don't get an ego for it, be thankful to Vaheguru. मत थोड़ी सेव गवाइए, मत थोड़ी सेव गवाइए, मत थोड़ी. Leave our wisdom, our own mind's wisdom. Take Vaheguruji's wisdom. Very difficult for educated people, but we have to do it, right? We have to leave our knowledge. Auji, with Vaheguruji's kirpa, um, it's already 6:11. Let's do at least 15 minutes of Saskira Simran. Okay, I'll stop the recording now. Auji, let's do